What's up, Retro Manufacturing? It's Eddie from Autometal Direct, and you guys are catching me here at SEMA at the Intellitronics booth, where we're premiering my '59 Apache Bernadette. You guys were awesome enough to come on board, so I have the Apache Radio, we got an antenna coming, and some other pieces, as well as the belt, which is super awesome, the retro belt. So let's check it out a little bit. You're gonna notice something in my interior, the lack of a seat. So if you look past that, because FedEx decided they liked my seat so much they kept it, you can see the radio. It fits perfect in that factory location. And with the steering wheel and the cluster, man, it all fits and just looks retro, which is awesome. Robert Messenger out of Houston, Texas, did the roof panel for me, as well as the shifter. Great guy. Revolt Paint, a new company that just came out. This is their paint, '59 Volkswagen VW Bug, but instead of a single stage, it's base coat, clear coat. And then they provided all the candy and everything that Robert Messenger used on the paint.
Cool. Tell us a little about your dash display you have here.
We've got 99% of the square body 73 to 87 truck approved rock and roll. We're gonna have cabs here really soon. So this is our dash pad, one of our dash components, along with the grills and vents that we manufacture. And then of course the gauges are Intellitronics, because we're in their booth. But we don't make gauges, so we're here showing that off. And there's a big hole right here, Joe. Joe, what are we doing?
Big space for a
Joe,
radio.
I need a radio, Joe. What's going on? So that's really it. We're here just, representing the brands that are involved, Intellitronics, Autometal Direct, of course, Retro Manufacturing, and everybody else at this wonderful SEMA show.